Go. Hi everyone, I want to show you my cantilevered spring-loaded one-piece worm. I have two spring plungers, which provides a fair bit of spring tension, but you probably may not need two of them, but there's I found that in the past quite a bit of spring tension is required. If you rotate the lever up, it moves disengages the worm from the ring gear, and now you have free rotation of the ring gear, and by lowering it you get comes back into place. So here's the underside. To create the pivot point, we've reversed it. Normally this hole here is the pivot. We're now making this one the pivot. This has been drilled out 7/16, and we've put in a bronze sleeve in there. We have these thumb screws. They have a 3/8 shoulder on them. We've got two Belvale washers. This is to make sure, this is to stop it actually undoing whilst rotating. And what we can do here is we can screw this all the way down, and you can do it up really very tightly, which creates a very close fit to the block to the plate. And similarly on the other one, now I had to drill out the hole. That's about 9/16. Now I think on a CNC machine you could do a much better job, obviously. I discovered that you need a large range of motion in order to disengage the worm. So this is something that I've learned from the process, which I would do differently again. It didn't come out as well as I'd hoped for, but having said all of that, once it's in place, and if I screw it down quite tightly, you can see I'm really cranking these down. Flip it over, and we can see how easily it moves. And we're guaranteed that these blocks are sitting absolutely flat to the plate. There's no daylight underneath these blocks, so there's no rotational movement caused by the blocks not being in contact with the base plate.